Let's look at how you should read. I mean, it's obvious you just read, right? No, that's not the right way. There are lots of mental processes that are going on in our head when we are reading. Reading actually is a very complex mechanism. It took you at least 1 or 2 years to learn first, and then it took you lots and lots of years of higher and higher levels of reading. But hopefully you have read, you're reading well, can read any material. But there is a way to read. There is a particular way in which you perhaps should read. And I would call it ruminating reader. Ruminating reader. Rumination. What is rumination? We know ruminants. What are the ruminants? Ruminants are the cow, the buffalo, the ox. These are the ruminants. They eat grass quickly. Have you seen cow eating grass? It just eats quickly, 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 quickly. And then cow has four stomachs. Cow has four stomachs. We have only one, right? We are right here, one. But cow has four stomach. It goes into the first stomach, and then the cow brings it all back to her mouth and chews and chews and chews and chews on it till she's bored. No, she never gets bored of that. So she keeps on chewing of the things she has eaten, and then she swallows that, and that's when is the it goes to the next stages of digestion, etc. So cows and ruminants in general, they eat quickly, and when they have spare time, you might have seen a cow, it just, right? So that's what we were trying to mimic also. We are going to be ruminant readers. Now, you know that while reading, you don't really need to say the word. You will be so fast, 800, 900,000 words per minute, perhaps beyond that, making all those connections in your head while reading may or may not be possible. So how we are going to use process of ruminating? Just copy the cow. So you read quickly. Let's say you have some material, right? You read, let's say, a short article or a long article, a book, or whatever it is. It's for your study, for your business, for your professional life, an email, whatever it is. You will read a section, a part, a chapter, or a paragraph. I'll leave it up to you. You leave it up quickly. You'll read it up quickly, close your eyes, and then ruminate. What did I just read? How does it connect to what I have already read before? What do I expect next? Why the author wrote the way he or she wrote? What was the point of this paragraph? If I had written this paragraph, how would I have written it? What is this character thinking about? What is this character like? If I was in the shoes of that character, how would I have reacted to this particular situation? Let me try to understand this particular section in the context of what I already know before. Let me write down some notes. Let me do a little bit of thinking about what is going on here, understand, comprehend. So all these processes I would call rumination. So if you become reader, a ruminating reader, you will have much more success while reading and understanding and comprehending and retaining that information and recalling it later. If you just went through reading just like that and just went ahead and didn't ruminate on what you have read, your brain will not be able to process it. Your brain will not be able to store it. Your brain will not be able to make meaning out of it. Your brain will not be able to recall it later. See, that's the mistake we do. We read too quickly and just move on, and one day later you ask what you read, and nothing. It's just all blank. So what's the point on spending that much time on reading them, right? Now you might just say, hey, if why then I become a speed reader? I'll just stay the slow reader, right? Then I will have time to ruminate while in the process of reading itself. Yes, you can do that, but think about it this way. Are you able to do slow reading while keeping your concentration, focus, and enjoyment? Are you able to do that? Are you able to keep your mind at the material that you are trying to read? Isn't your mind again and again going this way, that way? I'm hungry, somebody at the door, let me check WhatsApp. It's isn't it going all the time, like getting distracted? If it is doing that, please consider learning to speed read first, and then, most importantly, become a ruminating reader. Just like a cow. Cow eats quickly and then brings it back and chews and chews and chews and chews on it some more till she's bored. Well, no, she doesn't get bored. She just keeps doing that. I've seen many cows. I grew up in a house. We had cows in our backyard, like 10 cows when I was born, and they would just keep doing. So learn from cow how to read properly. I'm Dr. Ninad. This is Inner Labs.